So hopefully we've got enough in camera for you to see. Don't need that remote control, and we don't need the paperwork for the radio. So Moonraker Master, very extensive repair, said that to be messed around with, and although it's immaculate, it's probably because unboxed, it's probably because it was ruined when it was very new. So two major things. Somebody had tried to modify this so it did an external mic, blown up the microphone preamp, and they damaged the IC, which is the FM chip, which is not one of the usual types. Anyway, I recovered one off a CPT set to correct that, and as far as the no audio goes, I've put a new transistor in, which I've done 3 capacitors as well. So, very extensive repair. We'll be charging them a token amount because it'd be stupid money. And let's see whether Mr. Chippie's out there. No idea what we're going to get range-wise on this, but with the telescopic, we've had 8 miles out of them. But we have a very restrictive receiver. It's simplistic. So if you've seen the Harvard 410s, it's like a 10-year later version of those, and so it's really not much better received than they are. Here we go. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that. I'll plug my extension squeaker in.
Roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
So these are only 1/4 watt audio, and it might help with an external speaker. And he's going to say, "Where are you?" Okay, I'm plugged in.
Yep, roger that. Off we go.
Roger Dodger. Turn that off. High-low power. Channel 9 switch.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio, I've no tone control.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, 133.9 and 142.9.
Roger on that.
Right, we're now square wheeled at the temporary traffic lights.
Roger on that. Hope you enjoy them.
I think they're going to be long-winded. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that. Got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Top of the hill as we go down towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got your landing clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
I'm on a Moonraker Master Transportable, still 3.5 watts, and I'm on the built-in mic. Tango 21 over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. On your way back, can you put left at anchor for better station, give me a call, and I'll test it on his rod antenna, over.
Yeah, roger, will do.
We want to start with the video, but I just want to make sure everything's connected right.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you the Kelby turn. Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn. Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you allowed in curve at 5 hour point. 43 Moonraker Master from 1991, 2.5 watt hand portable. So I'm going to go to low power. The number is showing 1 amp. Low power is just over 400 milliwatts. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very on low power now, doing about 450 milliwatts. We went 420 milliamps. Just go back to full power, and then we're back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that. No problems on low power. No problems on full power. No real problems on low power either. You stayed above the squelch. Fairly noisy but readable.
There you go, safety don't think they're going to perform well, suddenly do. The squelch has been fine despite my misgivings about its insensitivity.
Yeah, roger that.
Terrific, when you're ready.
Right, we're on the move again.
Yes, on that.
Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 138.9 and 144.7.
Yeah, that actually works very, very well. So thank you for that, and 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger's still got you loud and clear going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a special prize for me today? At that end, please, over.
Yep, 138.9 and 144.7.
Well, that actually worked very, very well. So thank you for that, and 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Well, I'm absolutely astonished because the squelch is, well, 2.5 microvolt sensitivity. But there you go. It worked. It worked better on an on-the-air test than it did into the test instruments. So there we have it. I mean, the receive sensitivity is fine. It's 0.51 microvolts, but the squelch isn't. Anyway, it worked. So there we are. That can go back to the customer. I'm just going to do a rod antenna test on the way back. So I'm disconnecting it from the roof aerial, which is the Solarcon 99, as we keep saying. Before I do that, I better go through to our base station, and we'll do that part of the test.
Tango 21 testing the Moonraker Master handheld into our Midland 76900 base station using the built-in electret microphone. Testing 12345 54321, doing 3.5 watts. Pop it onto low power, which is about 450 milliwatts on this radio. There we go on low power, testing 12345, and back again. Tomorrow we've got a World Sound PT40. It's the scrap set I've got, where I pinched a part out of it the other day. Somebody has kindly sent me the part because they've got a scrap chassis. So we're going to put that together and put the missing parts in and see whether it can be resurrected from the dead. So thanks for watching the Moonraker Master from 1991.